Oh, there's a good one. Got him. All right, welcome back everybody. I'm out here on the Great Miami River again, doing some smallmouth fishing. Just got a very nice one. It's my first one of the day. I'm gonna get a measurement on this guy real quick and get him back in the water. All right, 17.5 inches. Excellent way to start the day. Nice thick one. So as you guys can see, this water is actually pretty muddy today. We had a decent rain overnight. It wasn't really enough to bring the water level up, but definitely muddied it up quite a bit. Wasn't too sure if that was going to affect the bite or not, but it seems to be perfectly fine. So we've got about probably 200 yards of rapids here. I've got my kayak latched onto me. I'm going to go ahead and walk up these rapids, and there's another decent spot further up here where I can hop back in my kayak. Oh, there was a little hit. Got him. That was kind of cool. Took him a couple tries, but he got it. There we go. That's a really good one. Oh, I'm about to fall. Oh, this is chaos. Got him. That is a monster. All right, I hopped out of my kayak for a minute to stand here and fish this lowhead dam. I fished this spot like 3 different times, never caught a fish here. This is my first one from this dam. And it is a very nice fish. I'd say that's probably about another 17 and a half. Let's hold her down in the water. Get this board. Ooh. Yep, that's another 17. Very nice fish. Send her on her way. All right. Got a couple of fawns and a doe checking me out. You can see that one right there, but there's another fawn and a doe just behind the trees right there. You can't really see them. They're not too sure what to make of me. Oh, there's one. Oh, no. Dang it. That was a good fish. I don't think it was quite as big as those other two, but I'd say it was at least a 16. Oh, there's one. Got him. Not a giant, but it is not a bad fish at all. Let me get out of this current and I'll show them to you guys. There we go. Not too bad, probably about a 14 or so. Nice healthy fish. There's one. Small one. So now that I'm in some slow moving water, right up against these rocks, I decided to bust out the football jig using a black and blue since that water is really stained. Keep myself out of these trees here. Just got like a real shiny black and blue crawl trailer on there. There's a fish. Keep catching these tiny ones on this jig. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. Didn't catch a ton of fish, but I did manage to put a couple really good ones in the net. And that's always my main goal. I'd rather catch 2 big ones than 20 small ones. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I'd appreciate if you did. You should go check out some of my other videos. I've got plenty of stuff just like this. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.